तो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल द अल्टीमेट स्पार्क। डेली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज में 29 अगस्त 2023 के क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राज्यसभा चेयरमैन जगदीप धनखड़ हैज नॉमिनेटेड whom as a member of standing committee on home affairs? ऑप्शन ए राहुल गांधी, बी वरुण गांधी, सी पी चिदम्बरम और डी संजय राउत। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी पी चिदम्बरम। डिटेल में देखते हैं। राज्यसभा चेयरमैन जगदीप धनखड़ हैज नॉमिनेटेड कांग्रेस एमपी पी चिदम्बरम as a member of the Standing Committee on Home Affairs. The news of his appointment has been given through the bulletin of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat that P. Bhattacharya, who retired from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 18 August 2023, that P. Bhattacharya, who retired from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 18 August 2023. Next question, question number 2. FIFA has lifted the ban from which country's football federation with immediate effect? ऑप्शन ए श्रीलंका, बी पाकिस्तान, सी जापान और डी कनाडा। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए श्रीलंका। डिटेल में देखते हैं। FIFA has lifted its ban on the Sri Lankan Football Federation with immediate effect. FIFA had banned the Football Federation of Sri Lanka on 21st January this year. This ban was imposed due to violation of FIFA rules by FSL in administration. Due to these restrictions, the Sri Lankan football team could not take part in the SAFF Championship 2023 held in July. Next question, question number 3. Shell India has appointed whom as its new chairperson? ए मानसी मदन त्रिपाठी, बी मीनाक्षी सिन्हा, सी विवेक अग्निहोत्री और डी अजय कपूर। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए मानसी मदन त्रिपाठी। डिटेल में देखते हैं। Shell India has recently announced the appointment of Mansi Madan Tripathi as the new country chairperson of the company with effect from 1 October. He will succeed Nitin Prasad, who has been the chairman of Shell India since 2016. She joined the company in 2012 from Procter and Gamble, where she held several regional and global director level positions. Shell is a British multinational oil and gas company headquartered in London, England, Europe. Next question, question number 4. In which country the joint military exercise Bright Star 23 will be organized? ऑप्शन ए फ्रांस, बी टर्की, सी कतर और डी इजिप्ट। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी इजिप्ट। डिटेल में देखते हैं। ज्वाइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज ब्राइट स्टार 23 will be organized in Egypt. In this, armies of 34 countries of the world, including India and America, are participating. This military exercise will be conducted from 31st of August to 14th of next month, यानी September, 14 September, at Mohammed Naguib military base in Egypt. Bright Star 23 is a multinational tri-services joint military exercise which will be led by US CENTCOM and Egyptian Army. Next question, question number 5. Which country has hosted the first Karnataka cultural festival? Option A Maldives, B Sri Lanka, C Thailand or D Bhutan. The right answer is option B Sri Lanka. डिटेल में देखते हैं. श्रीलंका hosted its first Karnataka cultural festival. It was organized by International Cultural Council of India, Swami Vivekanand Cultural Center, and Emmy done in collaboration with the Global Peace Foundation. The event marked an important moment in the cultural diversity, shared cultural heritage of India and Sri Lanka. Next question, question number 6. Who is the president of Zimbabwe who has re-elected for second 5-year term? Option A Emerson Mnangagwa, B Robert Pereiro, C Jacob Zuma or D none of these. The right answer is option A Emerson Mnangagwa. डिटेल में देखते हैं. Zimbabwe's President Emerson Mnangagwa has been re-elected for a second and final 5-year term after the results of Zimbabwe's presidential election were announced. By the way, there has been a history of irregularities in elections in Zimbabwe, with the help of which former President former President Robert Mugabe remained in power for almost 4 decades. Zimbabwe is a South African country whose capital is Harare. Zimbabwe. Next question, question number 7. When is National Sports Day celebrated annually in India? Option A 27 August, B 28 August, C 29 August or D 30 August. The right answer is option C 29 August. डिटेल में देखते हैं. National Sports Day is celebrated every year in 29 August in India. National Sports Day in India is celebrated in the memory of great hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. On this day, India's great hockey player Major Dhyan Chand was born in Prayagraj in year 1905. Major Dhyan Chand had given gold medals to India in the Olympics in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936 before independence of India. Next question, question number 8. Dholpur Karoli is the recently approved tiger reserve of which Indian state? Option A Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Madhya Pradesh or D Maharashtra. The right answer is option B राजस्थान. डिटेल में देखते हैं. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has accorded the final approval to Rajasthan's 5th tiger reserve in Dholpur Karoli. It is the country's 53rd tiger reserve. The ministry also gave in principle approval to declare Kumbhalgarh as a tiger reserve in Rajasthan. The other 4 tiger reserves in Rajasthan are Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve, and Ramgarh Vishdhari Tiger Reserve. These are the 4 other tiger reserves of Rajasthan. Next question, question number 9. Which company announced to release Code Allama AI model to assist in writing computer code? Option A Google, B Apple, C Microsoft or D Meta. The right answer is option D, Meta. डिटेल में देखते हैं। Meta Platforms said it would release an artificial intelligence AI model designed to assist in writing computer code. It is a large language model (LLM) that can use text prompts to generate and discuss code. It has the potential to make workflows faster and more efficient for developers. CodeLLama has the potential to be used as a productivity and educational tool to help programmers write more robust software. Next question number 10. Which state or UT implements the Chief Minister Breakfast Scheme? Option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Goa or D Punjab. The right answer is option B Tamil Nadu. डिटेल में देखते हैं। In Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister's breakfast scheme has been extended to 31,000 schools across the state, benefiting 17 lakh students. Initially, the scheme was devised to provide nutritious breakfast to 1,14,095 students of classes 1 to 5 studying in 1,545 government schools. An amount of rupees 33.56 crore was allocated for this scheme. Next question number 11. Rafael Nadal has been named as the ambassador for which Indian technology brand? Option A TCS, B Wipro, C Infosys or D Tech Mahindra. The right answer is option C Infosys. डिटेल में देखते हैं। Infosys announced entering into a 3-year partnership with tennis legend Rafael Nadal. The 22-time Grand Slam champion will serve as the brand ambassador for the brand and Infosys Digital Innovation. Infosys will collaborate with Nadal on the development of cutting-edge digital innovation projects. Nadal on the development of cutting-edge digital innovation projects. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। कल मिलेंगे न्यू डेली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।